Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cookie and Milky. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing Cookie on the left side. Let's draw a large circle for the body. Now top and side, and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two curves across in the center. Then underneath, let's draw a large U-shaped curve on each side. And then a curve up on top in the center. Now top in, and let's draw another curve down from the top. And then inside, let's draw a small circle on the top left. And then a larger one next to it on the bottom right. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. Now top on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's draw two curves up in the center. Then from the bottom, let's curve it out. Curve it down on top. And then close off the ends. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the mustache. We'll start with a curve across. Then let's bring it down on each end. Now at the bottom, let's draw a small angle in. And a curve across. Now underneath, let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve down and in on each side like this. And a curve up in the center. Now inside the mouth, let's draw a curve across the top for the teeth. And then a bump up at the bottom for the tongue. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw some ovals for the chocolate chips. Now that we're done the body, let's hop underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's draw two curves down on the left side and two on the right. Now for the feet, let's angle it out underneath each line. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside the feet, let's draw two lines up. And then a square inside each toe. And that's it for Cookie. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw Milky. Let's start by drawing a curve across near the top here. Then let's bring it down on each end. And another curve across the bottom. Now on each side, we're going to step in slightly and draw a line down. And then let's curve it in at the bottom. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. We'll start with 2 large circles for the eyes. And then a curve across inside at the top. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up inside each eye. Now let's add a small circle inside on the top right. And a larger one on the left. And then color each of the pupils in black. Next, we're going to hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start with a curve on top of each eye. Then let's bring it up in the center. And another curve down on top. And then let's close off the ends. Now let's hop down and let's draw the mouth. We'll start with a curve across. And then let's curve it around and back down on each side. And a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw a curve at the top for the teeth. And then a bump up at the bottom for the tongue. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the handle on the right side. Let's draw a curve out and another one near the bottom. And connect it with a curve down. And now let's do the same thing inside. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 curves down in the center. And 2 more on the outside. Now for the feet, let's angle it out. And a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 lines up for the toes. And now let's add a square inside each toe. And that's it for Cookie and Milky. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!